In this video, I'll show you Megapari promo code to use in Somalia. I also subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you're doing a promo code to use in Somalia, first you have to do is to log out from your old account. Once you're logged out, I want to click on register, and in the country you're going to search for Somalia. So as you can see on my screen here, there is no Somalia as a country here. So what do you do in such a case? In this case, I'm just going to show you a promo code where you have to choose a different country. So if you choose on a different country, come out email address, use an email address and enter a password. To create a good password, please follow the requirements here. It says must contain at least 8 characters, must have any types of characters and so on. So make sure to create a password that fits all the requirements and repeat the password just in case you don't forget. For the promo code to use in Somalia, you're going to use a promo code your TV, which is going to give you a 10% bonus on your first deposit. So you can choose any other country or still maintain Somalia, but use the promo code. Now after using that promo code, click on these three boxes, register your account, verify your email address, and then you are good to go.